To convert these improper fractions into mixed numerals, we need to find the whole parts and the leftover parts. So how many groups of 10 can fit into 28? So we can get 2 whole parts, and we're going to have 8 parts left over, and we add it on to the 2 whole parts. So we get 2 and 8/10. Okay, there's an implied plus in there, but we never put that implied plus. Okay, we leave it as 2 and 8/10. So we can divide into 10 into 28. We get 2 parts, 2 whole parts, and 8 parts remainder. Now, what is always a good idea is to reduce fractions. So when possible, I should reduce this to 14 over 5 and then do the same thing. I'm going to divide 5 into 14. I get 2 whole parts and 4 left over. So I have 4 1/5 pieces left over. And that would be the same as if I simplified 2 and 8/10. So we'll do the same thing here. We're going to reduce the fraction first. So 7 over 4. And then 4 goes into 7 once with 3 left over. So we have 3 1/4 pieces left over. So 1 whole piece plus 3 1/4 pieces left over. This one has a common factor of 5, so we should divide that in. Sorry, we should simplify that. And then we can divide 3 into 7. Okay, there's 3 holes that fit into, 2 holes that fit into 7. So 3 fits into 7 2 times, and then we're going to have the extra 1/3 left over. So we have 2 plus 1/3. Here we're going to simplify this to 25 over 6. 6 divides into 25 4 times, and we have 1 1/6 piece left over. Here we can fit 4 21s into 100. That's 84. And then we're going to have 16 pieces left over. Okay, so we end up with 16 over 21. Here we'll have 1, and we'll have 5 pieces left over, so 1 and 5/16. Here there's a common factor of 3, so we should try to simplify this. So if I divide that by 3, I'm going to get 26 over 5. So we can divide that in. 5 into 26 is 5 times with 1 left over. So we have a 1 1/5 piece left over. Here 49 and 28 share a common factor of 7, so I divide by 7, and then I should 7 1/4 is 1 whole plus 3/4 left over. Here we can, looks like we can divide by 4, so we get 202. And then we can see that 25 fits into 200 8 times, and then we're going to have 2 25ths left over. This one we can see that 63 and 14, they share a common factor of 7, so I'm going to divide by 7 on top and bottom. Here I end up with 9 over 2. Okay, 9 over 2 simplifies into 4 with 1/2 left over.